First, access the company website, autoshopvn.com. Select the SmartFI2 product. Select Update. Click here to download the software. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Open the installation file and install the software. Install using the default settings as instructed. After the installation is complete, the login interface will appear on the screen. Use your personal email to log in. Press the Connect SmartFI button to connect to the device. Select the correct device ID to connect. At this point, the installation of the SmartFI2 software on the computer or laptop is complete.